Yo YouTube, it's Mr. B from Pint of Stuff here, and I am right back at you. I am, but I'm not on a sneaker unboxing. Finally, we got an Onfoot done. And because you all love this shoe so much, the Sean Cliver, SJ, let's have a look. The Sean Cliver Holiday Special. We are gonna go and do a sneaker unboxing. No, we're not. We're not gonna do a sneaker unboxing. We're gonna do a cinematic Onfoot. We're going to show you the shoe in our own particular Pint of Stuff style. So let's go and have a look at that about... Okay, yeah, look at that. That's what we just looked at. We just looked at a very, very special shoe. SJ, because we looked at that special shoe, and I really hope that you like it, can we go over to this camera? Because I think you're gonna see, there you go. Look at that. So, now we've had time with these now, and lots of you are saying that this is Dunk of the Year. I'm going to be honest, it's not Dunk of the Year for me. And I'm going to caveat it with Dunk of the Year of what we've picked up. And I still think that a Duncan is stronger than this. Best J, let's go back to the center, because I'm going to hold it so you can all see it there. And it is a shoe that is marvelous. It is marvelous. It is a wonderful shoe, but I also want to correct myself. Because in the unboxing video, which I will put up here so you can see the reactions there, and we do go closer on that, I said that this was the third shoe by Sean Cliver. It's not. It's not. I was wrong. I was very wrong. It's the fourth. I can't do that right. It's the fourth. There was the disposable from 2014, which was actually celebrating 10 years. How could I not know this? 10 years of his book of the art of skateboarding. I think it was called something like that. And right, anyway, let's have a look, because SJ, you've now seen these on foot. I'd like you to shout very loud, are these your Dunk of the Year?
No.
Okay, that was very loud. It's like literally ringing in my ears. What's your Dunk of the Year then, SJ? Loudly?
Strangelove.
Strangelove. Okay, so SJ Strangelove, I don't have the Strangelove, so I'm still on the Duncan, but I do want to tell you that these look really good on foot. They are a marvellous shoe. I am going to do the lace swap, and I might do that, and I might put some pictures on Instagram, I'm not sure. But what do you think? Did you manage to get this? I know lots of you are really, really struggling with this. And I'm telling you, these lights, they might show it up as being a bit shiny. And let's go over to that camera, SJ. Now, I promise you, it's not as shiny as that. I know that that's reflecting like mad, and you can actually see, right, you see that red there in the swoosh? That's actually SJ. But I promise you, it's not a shiny, shiny swoosh. in normal light, it doesn't look this shiny, but oh my God. Oh, right, let's go in really close, SJ. SJ suggesting to me it's more bronze than gold, and I'm inclined to agree with her. Still terrible stitching. I still can't get over that. This is in the top dunks for me in the year. SJ, let's go back to the middle. But I'm not calling it the number one for me. And what we're going to do is I think we are going to do a video of all of our top dunks of the year. I'm just not sure when that's going to come out. But if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to do it, because we do lots of this sort of stuff down here. And we are going to put out, because lots of you asked for that as well, we are going to put out a cinematic on foot in the Pint of Stuff style of the Duncan. And hopefully that'll come out in a few days or so. I think we might have found a process to allow us to make them faster so that we can come to you quicker with videos. And let me let you into a little secret. Little secret. God, that's close. No one wants to be that close to me, not even SJ. There might be a video over there somewhere that you might want to watch. You might want to watch that video. You will want to watch it. And don't forget to subscribe, people. Let us know in the comments, what was your dunk of the year? Lots of you are letting us know on Instagram, and we are Pint of Stuff on Instagram. And I think that's not a lot more for me to say, SJ. SJ, is there anything that you'd like to say about this shoe? You didn't hear that. Just really nice. I can't do SJ's.
Talk like that.
I don't talk like that. I can't do SJ's accent, people. I can't. She's got this peculiar SJ accent. It's the same as mine. Like she's now, like, she's looking at me right now, people. Okay, let me know what you think. I'm going to do one more fly in. Look at that. We're going to come in close. We're going to come in close. And she's sticking her fingers up at me.